Today we are making a spicy Chettinad Tawa egg wrap where fluffy spiced eggs meet a soft roti directly on the tawa. This method locks in flavor, texture and street style taste. Let's begin with the recipe. Take a mixing bowl, add fresh eggs and add chopped onions, green chilies, fragrant curry leaves along with the bold chettinad spices listed on the screen. Whisk until everything is well combined. Pour the spiced egg mixture onto the hot tawa. Let it spread naturally. Watch as the base sets and the aromas bloom. You can always add more spices if you like. Gently space the roti over the semi-wet omelette. Press lightly, allowing the egg to bind the layers. Remember that patience is needed here to create the perfect texture. Now flip the roti. Now the roti touches the heat and the omelette will fully cook. For extra indulgence, add a touch of butter. Remove from the tawa while it is still warm and flexible. Add onions, a squeeze of lime or ketchup. And that's all. Crispy, spicy Chettinad Tawa egg wrap is ready.